Greetings everyone, I'm Joel Brooks, owner of Moments in Time Video Productions and a Macro System Americas dealer. Today, I will show the basic features and operation of the Bogart Windows program. The Bogart Windows video editing software is an intuitively designed program. Whether you are using the program for the first time or have experience using the Bogart Linux-based version, you will quickly adapt to the Bogart Windows-based operating system. If you have a modern PC, Bogart Windows should work okay. However, I highly recommend purchasing one of the turnkey video editing systems from Macro System to ensure 100% compatibility and optimized hardware for maximum performance. The first step is to download the Bogart Windows software from the Macro System website. Go to macrosystem.us, then from the main page, select the Downloads menu on the left side of the page. Next, choose the All Bogart Windows 7, 8, 10, and Vista option. There is an option to download a free demo version if you want to see how the software works. For this demo, I will download the full version. I am using Google Chrome as the web browser combined with the Macro System Travel Pro turnkey editing system. Double-click the Bogart download link. The download process will begin. Once the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder and you will see a zip folder. Drag this file to the desktop area of your system. Select and highlight the zip folder and choose Open or Extract All. Next, double left-click on the installer wizard to begin the installation process. Once the installation is completed, go to the System menu, then Settings, then to the Install Product menu. Enter the code your dealer provided. If you purchased the Gold Edition for the first time, you will need to enter that code as well. If you have experience with the Bogart Linux systems, you will recognize most of the menu options available in Bogart Windows. One of the many great benefits of upgrading to Bogart Windows is whenever you go from a particular Bogart version like version 9 to version 10, the update is non-destructive. Go to the Project Setting menu. In the top left is a hard drive selection menu. You can edit from an external hard drive if you have purchased the Disk Juggler software and it is activated. If you have experience with Bogart Linux, this feature works the same way as Store and Share did. A great feature. I will edit with the internal hard drive in my Travel Pro for this demo. For more information about Disk Juggler, go to the Macro System website at macrosystem.us and check out the Disk Juggler promo video on the Product Videos page. Next, choose one of the 30 available projects to work with. Next, set the project format according to the source video format you are working with. For this demo, I will select 1920 by 1080 and set the frame rate to 60p. Another very nice feature in Bogart is the Set Format from File option. This enables you to select a source video file and Bogart will auto-match the format with the video footage you have selected. A powerful feature in Bogart is the ability for the program to recognize the project environment you are working in. If you have not set the proper format settings to match your source footage, Bogart will prompt a message with the option to match the project with the selected video format without up or down converting the footage. An excellent feature. The next feature is HD Backup Sentry. This enables you to back up and restore complete or incomplete video projects exactly as you left it. You can save just one or all 30 projects. For more information about HD Backup Sentry, go to the Macro System website at macrosystem.us and check out the HD Backup Sentry promo video on the Product Videos page. The next menu item you see here on my Casablanca Ford Travel Pro is the USB Record menu. This add-on feature enables analog footage to be imported directly into the scene bin in Bogart Windows with the special analog to USB cable included when you purchase this add-on program. For more information about the analog to USB add-on product, go to the Macrosystem website at macrosystem.us and check out the analog to USB promo video on the product videos page. Next, let's go to the import menu. The first thing I recommend is to activate the Expert menu. This feature enables more options and settings before you start the import process. At the very top of the import menu is a button called Choose Files. When you select this icon, a large window opens displaying the main Windows File Management content system. Here, you can access video files from desktop folders, flash drives, memory cards, and external hard drives. For this demo, I have an SD memory card inserted into the SD slot of my Travel Pro. To access the SD card, I will go to the CAM_SD label located in drive slot H from the list on the far left portion of the Windows File menu. Every camera manufacturer has a unique file and folder structure. For example, Sony XD-Cam stores their video files in a master folder called BPAV. I am using the Panasonic DVX200 camera, and the video files are located inside the DCIM folder. So I will select the DCIM folder, then you will see yet another file structure level. Left-click to open the file folder. Once opened, you will see all of your video clips. You can choose just one, select all, or select only the desired clips by highlighting a clip, then pressing the Shift key along with the arrow key on your keyboard. Highlight the specific video clips you want to import. Then select Open. You will see the number of scenes you selected for import in the top right corner of the import window. The second method of importing video clips fast and easy is to shrink the Bogart import menu on the right and open the video file folder on the left, choose a video scene, then drag and drop it over the import window itself. A third method to import a video clip is to open the Bogart Edit menu, then drag and drop a video clip directly into the Bogart scene bin. Next, you can adjust the aspect ratio of the video or photo image with the following options: black border, no border, centered, and distort. Next, you can adjust the frame rate setting to on or off. If you select off, there will not be sound recorded from the video source. The next option is the deinterlacer option. This is a great tool for importing interlaced footage and converting it into progressive during the import process. In addition, there is a rotate option. You can choose between plus, minus 90, or 180 degrees. The next option is called denoiser. This unique feature minimizes the video noise or grainy texture sometimes present with lower resolution video or low light source video footage. Next is the AV correction option. There are adjustments for brightness, contrast, saturation, and gamma. You can also preset the audio level to a specific level. The Use Format Archives feature enables the AV settings to maintain the customized settings for importing a series of the same type of footage. The icon located directly below the large preview window is a zoom feature. This is a great tool for viewing the first frame of video in the full screen mode. Lastly, select the Start Import icon and the import process will begin. Now go to the Edit menu. You will see the video scenes you selected are now in the Bogart scene bin. It is very easy to trim a video scene. Highlight one of the video clips, then select the Trim menu icon. Select the End button and scroll through the clip to find a start point and left-click to confirm. Next, select the Out button and scroll through the video clip in the same manner to locate a stopping point. Left-click to confirm. Splitting a video scene is equally easy. If you are working in Bogart 10, there is an advanced split feature found in the Options menu. You can choose between Advanced and Standard. For more information on the Advanced Split feature, I invite you to view the Bogart 10 video by going to macrosystem.us. For this demo, I will use the Standard Split option. Highlight a scene you wish to split, then select the Split menu icon. Select the Split Position icon, then scroll through the video clip to locate a desired split point. Next, select either Use or Drop. Continue scrolling through the video to find the next split point, and so on. Now, I will show you how to add a special motion effect to a video clip. Highlight a video clip, then go to the Special menu, and near the top of the menu are the Bogart default slow and fast motion options. By the way, I highly recommend purchasing the new add-on motion program called Timex. It offers amazing super smooth slow and fast motion in addition to D-Flash and Vario options. For more information, I invite you to view the video about Timex at macrosystem.us. For this demo, I will show you the included Bogart Windows default slow and fast motion effects. Select the slow motion option. Choose between 2 and 10 delay times. I will choose delay level 3. It will render very fast. Next, I will select a scene I would like to speed up with fast motion. Go to the Special menu and locate the Bogart Quick Motion option. Choose between 2 and 50 times faster. Next, you can add one or all clips to the storyboard. In this case, I will add all clips to the storyboard at one time. Bogart offers a great feature enabling multiple clips to be added at once to the storyboard. Select the Action icon below the Scene Bin area, then choose the Mark Scene Bin option. Now, select any clip and drag it to the storyboard. You will notice all clips will then be added at the same time. A very powerful feature. By the way, a unique feature in Bogart 10 is the Storyboard Plus feature. This can be switched on or off in the lower left corner of the Edit menu according to your preference. I personally prefer to use this new Plus feature. More information about this feature on the Macro System website at macrosystem.us. In addition, there is a feature where you can mark the scenes with these white dots you wish to use as chapter points for later use in the Arabesque Disc authoring program. Next, go to the Transitions menu. Bogart includes several transitions like crossfade and wipes. However, Macro System offers a large array of additional add-on effects and transition packages. Be sure to check them out at macrosystem.us and contact your dealer for more information and pricing. By the way, at least 90% of all the add-on software that was available in the Bogart Linux systems are now available in Bogart Windows. Once in the Transitions menu, you will have access to the list of transitions located on the left side of the menu. Select a transition, then add or drag it between the two clips in the storyboard. If you want to add the same transition to all clips in the storyboard, go to the Options menu, then select the Add Automatically feature. Choose the desired transition, set the length, choose Continuous or Random, then select OK. Next, Go to the Image Processing menu. The Image Processing menu affects the current active scene in the storyboard. You can also choose a range if you want the effect to be placed over several scenes. Choose an effect from the list, then add or drag it over the scene in the storyboard. A powerful feature available in Bogart is the Scene function. This enables you to add multiple layers of effects on a given scene. This feature is available in the Transitions, Image Processing, and Titling menus. Select the Scene button. There are 4 options. The first, Effect. This will create a new scene with just the area where the effect is within the scene. The Effect plus Scene will create a new scene with both the effect and the scene embedded together. The Range enables you to scroll and select only a certain area or length of the storyboard. The last option is labeled Storyboard. This will create a new scene of the entire storyboard with all effect and transitions that have been applied. A great feature. Next, I will demonstrate the Bogart Windows title program. Select a scene in the storyboard you would like to place a title on. Go to the Title menu. Bogart Windows has basic title effect options that are included. Additional title effects are available from macrosystem.us. Select the In-Out Fading Pages option from the list on the left side of the Title menu. Add or drag the title effect onto the active scene in the storyboard. In the lower right part of the Title menu is the option to select the Bogart default title program, or if you have the Vertigo title add-on program. For more information about the Vertigo title program, please visit macrosystem.us and view the video about this great titling product. For this demo, I will use the default Bogart titler. Set the In-Out pages to 1 second each. Next, select the Enter Edit Text menu. Selecting the Text option enables access to various font and style attribution options. Type a text in the text box. In the Boxes menu, there are options to adjust the size and placement of the box and to choose various backgrounds. Add new title boxes and the option to bring in a text from a pre-created document. In the Pages menu, there are options to access and create additional pages, as well as the ability to archive the text you create. Again, if you have experience with the Bogart Linux systems, the title options and overall operation will be very similar. The next menu item is the Audio Record Edit menu. This is where you capture and edit all audio for your project. You can import audio from CDs, USB drives, and from the scene bin. Bogart Windows will import WAV or MP3 files seamlessly. I will import a piece of music from a CD I have inserted into my Travel Pro editor. Click on the CD icon, and this will open the music titles on the disc. Choose one or all tracks and then select Import. Next, I will import an MP3 file. Select the USB icon. This will open the Windows Main Access menu. Select the flash drive I have attached to my Travel Pro and then choose the audio file on the flash drive, then select Open. The audio file will start importing immediately. On the left side of the Audio Record Edit menu are options to trim, split, and add audio effects. You can also create and export audio samples as MP3 files. The Audio Mix menu is also switchable in the lower left corner of the Audio Mix menu from the Storyboard Plus mode to the more traditional Audio Mix screen if you prefer. I personally like the new Plus mode. For more information about the newly designed Audio Mix menu, go to the macrosystem.us website and view the video about Bogart 10 I recently produced. I plan to produce a video in the near future about the advanced Audio Mix menu. I will use the traditional mode for this demo. There are 9 audio tracks if you are using Bogart 10, a very nice feature. Earlier versions offered 6 audio tracks. Choose one of the 9 audio tracks and highlight it. Select the Insert Replace icon. This will display the available audio I captured earlier in the Record Edit menu. Next, select the Add button to place the audio on the chosen audio track. Next, select the Range button and then select Position to move the audio where you want it. You can also select the Trim feature to adjust the length of the audio. Next is the audio level adjustment. The volume slider can easily raise or lower an audio track. The next item is the audio envelope control icon. Select the Envelope button to access the envelope menu. Precise adjustments can be made using the audio envelope control. Next is the Export menu. As with the Import menu, I always activate the Export menu for more options. Exporting your complete project is fast and easy in Bogart Windows. Choose between AVI, MPEG-2, H.264, MP4, M2TS, and JPEG. Select a data rate quality from low, medium, high, or max. In the lower section of the Export menu are options to export your video project to many file sizes and frame rates. This is very similar to the Media Manager feature that was in the Bogart Linux-based systems. You can even change from interlace to progressive modes, and vice versa. If you are working in an interlace project but want to change to progressive for online applications, there is a deinterlace option. This is a great tool. Arabesque is the last menu option in Bogart Windows. Arabesque is a disk authoring and burning application. For detailed information about Arabesque, go to macrosystem.us and view the extensive video about Arabesque. I will cover the basics in this demo. The first menu item is the Assistant mode. I will use the Manual mode for this demo. The second menu item is called Disk Projects. There are 10 projects available in Arabesque. Next, set the target format for the disk project. In this case, I will choose Blu-ray. Next, I will set the quality to manual. Set the reference media to 25 GB since that is the type of disk I am using for this demo. Set the data rate to optimal. I will leave the compress audio unchecked. The compress audio is useful if you need more data storage space for a longer disk project. Next is the Settings menu. This is where you activate the hardware acceleration, frequent prompts, and close disk drawer on exit. One of the reasons I recommend using one of the turnkey editing systems from Macrosystem is the hardware units are optimized for the Intel processors and come with the QuickSync technology activated. The Miscellaneous menu contains information about the media, disk drives, firmware version, and the option to clear a rewritable disk. The next menu item is called Movies. This is where you select one of the 30 projects in Bogart you wish to import into the Arabesque program. Select the Add Movie button and this will bring up the available projects in Bogart. For this demo, I will choose this project. The next menu is where you create the chapters for your disk project. In the Partitioning menu, you can set the chapter points to 5 or 10 minutes, Custom, or Adapt from Bogart. The Adapt from Bogart feature will activate the scenes in the storyboard I marked earlier with the white markers. This is a great feature. Next, choose a template style for the disk menu. For this demo, I will use the template called Black and White. The next item are the disk main menu options. In the first title menu, there are options for disk menu control. This determines how the disk will be displayed, like Start with Disk Menu, or other options like Start with Movie or Trailer, then Disk Menu, and so on. The next menu is where you set the background image and overlays. I have already set the background image I want to use for this project. You can enter a text for the main menu, a chapter menu, along with options to adjust the button attributes, sizes, text, border, shadow, and activation colors. The next menu item is the preview option. This enables you to preview the DVD menu layout before you start the burn process. The next item is the burn menu. Select this icon to start the actual burn to disk process. The last menu item in Arabesque is the ISO burn feature. This enables the completed disk project to be exported as an ISO image file for archiving. Bogart Windows is a powerful, stable video editing platform. Many great advances have been made since the Bogart Linux days, and the future looks very bright for Bogart Windows and Macro System. Bogart Windows, Macro System.